Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P10 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the display. Let's tap on it. Now let's pick the wallpaper. And as you can see here, we've got 4 different options from different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from Bing wallpapers, live wallpapers, Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, or the wallpapers which are defaultly installed on this device. So let me pick this option, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the defaultly installed wallpapers from which we can choose. Here we've got some options to choose from. What's more, if you've changed your mind and if you'd like to set your own photo as a wallpaper, simply tap on my photo so you don't have to get back to the previous page, and here you can enter the Bing wallpapers. But let me pick something from those options. If you'd like to check the preview of the particular wallpaper, simply tap on it, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the full screen, so you can freely change between them and check which one you like the most. And basically right here in the left upper corner you can decide where you want to set it. So as you can see, we've got the lock screen and desktop to choose from. As you can see, in my case, both are marked, which simply means that I'd like to set it on the lock screen as well as on the desktop, on the home screen, let's say. And basically all you have to do is to simply tap on set wallpaper if you're ready. Now let's wait a second. Yeah, we had to wait a second, and now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your LENOVO Tab P10 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.